Got a car? Then you know the gut-wrenching feeling of a flat tire on a dark road, or a dead battery in a busy parking lot. But what if you were prepared for anything? A well-equipped emergency roadside kit isn't just a bag of tools, it's your ultimate safety net and the key to turning a bad day around. Today, we're unpacking the 8 best emergency roadside tool kits on Amazon. We're going to dive into what makes each one stand out and, at the end, crown a clear winner for the most comprehensive, reliable kit you can buy. All the links are in the description. 8. First Secure Car Emergency Kit. The First Secure Kit is a fantastic, well-rounded option that's perfect for new drivers or anyone who wants a solid foundation for common emergencies. It includes an air compressor, sturdy jumper cables, a tow strap, and even a first aid kit 1. The best part? It's all packed into a neat bag that fits easily under a seat. However, some of its components, like the air compressor, are a bit slow and have an inaccurate gauge, and it's missing key items like a fire extinguisher and a shovel. It's a great starter pack, but it's not as comprehensive as others on this list, especially the Everlit, which includes more pieces and a better inflator. 7. HolaKit 78-piece Car Emergency Kit. The HolaKit is a true standout in the value department. For a mid-range price, you get an impressive 78 pieces, including a portable air compressor, a fire blanket, a smart addition, a safety vest, and heavy-duty jumper cables. It's a great all-in-one kit that gives you a lot of peace of mind without breaking the bank. Just like the First Secure Kit, the compressor gauge isn't perfectly accurate, and the jumper cables lack polarity labels, which can be a bit tricky for a novice. It's a slightly better value than the First Secure due to its added safety gear, but it still falls short of the top contenders. 6. DK Weiner LED Road Flares Kit. The DK Weiner kit is a specialized tool that focuses on one thing and does it incredibly well: nighttime visibility. This isn't a full emergency kit, but a vital add-on. It comes with 4 magnetic LED road flares that have 9 different flash modes. These are a massive upgrade from old-school chemical flares and are a must-have for nighttime breakdowns. While they're not a substitute for a full kit and have limited daytime visibility, they're an absolute game-changer for safety in the dark. So it's not a complete kit, but it's a critical piece of any comprehensive setup. 5. Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. The Everlit kit is where we start getting into some serious gear. This is a robust, all-in-one kit with a generous 108-piece first aid kit and a high-quality digital air compressor with auto shutoff. The jumper cables are long and reliable, and everything is neatly organized in a solid bag. It's a little pricier than the others so far, but its focus on comprehensive readiness and the quality of the compressor make it a clear winner over the First Secure and HolaKit. However, it still lacks some of the premium features and sheer quantity of tools found in the top-tier kits. 4. Emergency Roadside Kit for Car 124 PCs. This is the king of sheer quantity. This 124-piece kit gives you a ton of tools for a very low price. It has a folding survival shovel, long jumper cables, a tow strap, and a basic tool set, all in a rugged, portable case. It's an amazing value and perfect for people who want to be prepared for a variety of situations. The downside is that the quality of some of the tools can be a bit hit or miss, and it doesn't include an air compressor, which is a major drawback compared to the First Secure and Everlit kits. So, VLITEPRO Roadside Emergency Car Kit. The VLITEPRO kit is a fantastic, well-balanced option that's a true all-rounder. It has a great mix of tools, including a snow shovel, heavy-duty jumper cables, and a tow strap, all for a very reasonable price. It's a bit of a step up from the Emergency Roadside Kit because of its focus on quality over quantity. The tools feel more durable, and it's organized in a soft case that's easy to store. The main drawback is the absence of an air compressor. This is a big miss, as a flat tire is one of the most common roadside issues. 2. Achamusi Roadside Emergency Car Kit. The Achamusi kit is the definition of no nonsense. It's not about having 100 tiny pieces, it's about having the most important ones in a durable, hard-shell case. The standout feature is the heavy-duty jumper cables that are widely praised for their reliability, especially for cold starts. The case itself is built to last and keeps everything organized. While it's a little light on extras like an air compressor or fire extinguisher, its focus on core, high-quality essentials makes it a winner. It's a better-built, more reliable alternative kit. And the winner is the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Kit. This kit gets the top spot because it offers the most comprehensive, high-quality, and balanced package for the everyday driver. It has a superior 6-gauge 500-amp jumper cable set, a built-in air compressor, a tow rope, and a reflective vest. All the essentials and then some. While it's a little heavier and more expensive than the budget options, the quality of its components, particularly the beefy jumper cables, and the inclusion of a tire inflator, makes it a must-have for peace of mind on the road. It's the one kit that truly has you covered for almost any common roadside emergency. By such a machine, multiple members are added to the engine, booked just enough to convert any apartment area from one. So there you have it, the best emergency roadside kits on the market. While there are a lot of good options, the VCANENERGY kit stands out as the best all-grown choice for its comprehensive contents and high-quality components. Tell me in the comments, what's one tool you always carry in your car? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.